Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to factory reset your Google Pixel. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, tap the gear icon to open up your settings. This is your main control center where you can adjust everything on your device. Once you're in settings, look for the option labeled System and tap on it. This section contains all the core settings related to your device's operating system and overall functionality. Next, scroll down through the System menu until you find Reset Options. This is where all the different reset features are grouped together, including Network Settings Reset, App Preferences Reset, and the full factory reset option. Go ahead and tap on Reset Options to proceed. Now you'll see several reset choices available. Look for the option that says Erase All Data or Factory Reset depending on your device's software version. This is the option that will completely wipe your Pixel and restore it to its original factory state, removing all your apps, accounts, photos, and personal data. Tap on it to continue. After selecting that option, you'll be taken to a confirmation screen. Here, tap Erase All Data once more. This double confirmation exists to ensure you don't accidentally wipe your device, since this action is irreversible once it begins. It's the system's way of making absolutely sure you want to proceed with this major change. At this point, your device will ask you to input your device password. This security measure prevents unauthorized users from factory resetting your phone without your permission. Go ahead and enter your password to verify that you're the legitimate owner of the device. Once you've entered your password correctly, the reset process will start. Your Pixel will begin erasing all data and restoring itself to factory settings. This process may take several minutes, so be patient and make sure your device has enough battery or is plugged in during this time. The phone will restart automatically once the reset is complete. And that's it. You've successfully factory reset your Google Pixel and your device is now restored to its original state. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.